Welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing this face, my name is Tola. To my returning subscribers, I love you guys. Thanks for watching this video or clicking to watch this particular video. You know how we do it, always fun and cool vibes here. Anyways, make sure you guys stay tuned. If you've not subscribed, go and subscribe like ASAP, like now, like right now, like click on that button. So today I'm going to, I don't know what to call it, like a boat park. It's not a jetty, but like where they like store boats and everything. I need to go and like just check it out, know what their prices are like. I definitely will show you guys what it looks like, and then maybe you can get food, you know. I'll show you guys everything. Stay tuned. Another vlog. The thing that happened is I actually could not further filming at the boat park, so I was just like, you know what, let's make this thing a long thing. I'm just going to show you maybe like everything I do in 1 week or maybe 2 days or 3 days, I don't know. But anyways, today I'm going to go get a massage at Oriki spa. Oriki does it for me like every time. And if you've not seen my former video at Oriki where I went for like a self-care date, go and check it. I'll link it in my bio. Make sure you guys check it, or put the link rather in the description box. So yeah, let's get it. So we are here. It was quite difficult to find it because there was no name. We're going to, sorry, Oriki. Yeah. Happy Sunday to you too. Can I have my sanitizer and all that? Okay, it's going to come in. Yeah, you can give me from me. Thank you. No problem. You're welcome. Just giving you guys what my outfit looks like. The queen and that. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, you're going to show you my vlog this time around, though. Say hello to them now.
Hello, how are you guys? You just need dancing.
Tell them to subscribe. Leave my tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, and give it a thumbs up. So nice. So we're just waiting. We have like 10 minutes more. It's always advisable to actually come in 10 minutes earlier before we go in to avoid stories at all. By the way, you guys, I am loving this fringe on me. It was in my previous video, but like this is like super cute.
Wow.
This is fancy, guys. This is what in here. It's too dark, so I'll see you guys when I'm done. Time to create spaces. Like this place is absolutely gorgeous. This is beautiful. Anyways, yes, so it's wig off, and then it's just me. What did you say? Hi, Nini. Yeah, I'm done now. So yeah. I don't know. So I'm about to get a facial. Get my skin all popping. I feel so much better though. Like there's no tension in my neck anymore. Let's go get it. Babe.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it just us?
I don't know.
Alright guys, so I just got done with my facials. I'm glowing already, Abby. I don't know why I'm crying, but like I feel really refreshed. That's the word. Anyways, let's see what the day has. I'll see you guys in a bit. I just got done. I just want to wear my wig. Oh my god. I'm here. So yeah, we're done. Let's go grab lunch because I came on an empty stomach. Why are you spoiling my video? Okay. Do you want to enter my vlog?
No,
I know you're always too shy. Anyways, yeah, so I'm done and I'm just going to head home actually. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog with me because I had fun and I'm so relaxed and I hope you guys like enjoyed it. And by the way, so I got this uncle here a gift card. He doesn't know it's my birthday. Hopefully he doesn't watch this particular vlog because I think I'm putting out tomorrow or next tomorrow. Anyways, even if he knows, he doesn't know what's in the gift card. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. You guys should give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Also, you guys must show me that love, okay? I've been feeling a little bit down, so watching this video will actually, make me feel like, okay, there's love out there for me. This hair actually is shocking me a lot. All right, let's make it a wrap. It's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. I almost broke my glasses. Bye.